Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are you guys are not gonna see my head all the way through, but I want you guys to see what I'm cooking. I got you on the air cam. So guys, today we're going to make some stuffed pork chops with some potatoes, and I don't know what else, but the main thing is the meat. And I'm going to take a fresh garlic, put it on the bullet, and make a nice garlic paste we're going to use for this. And then from there, we're going to move on, guys. So let me do the garlic, and I'll bring you back, guys. Keep watching. Right now, I'm going to make a little bit of toast stuffing. Yes, guys, I'm using toast stuffing to stuff my pork chop. So I'm not going to do a lot. I'm just going to do a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. I hate it because it's 6-1, but that's okay. That should be enough. So what are you guys doing? Guys, it's raining. It is pouring here. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. I'm gonna do a simple, no chicken stock, no nothing, because it's going to take flavor once it's actually cooking inside the pork chop. And we don't want it to be runny. We want it to be stiff, because it's going to, like I said, the pork chops are going to release juices when it's cooking in the pork chops, and it's going to absorb more liquid. See, I don't want to overcook it, so see, it looks like it's dry, but that it's okay. So we're gonna put this aside. We're going to put this aside over here, because we're going to be using that. Let's put in our frying pan over here. My pork chop's been processed already. When I say processed, it means they're been cleaned and packaged. My hands are clean, guys, so make sure that your hands are clean. I'm going to actually mix some seasoning in a little container. Actually, I'm going to make some seasoning so I could season these pork chops. Meanwhile, that's on, it's being hot. So once I mix the seasoning, I'm going to show you everything once I mix it, okay, guys? All right, guys, I put half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of cilantro dry leaves, a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic and pepper spice, half a teaspoon of salt-free seasoning, basically Mrs. Dash, and I'm going to put a little sprinkle of barbecue rub, and we're going to add 1 pack of seasoning. I added a teaspoon of sofrito. Remember, I use sofrito and I use recaito. Recaito is green, sofrito is red, okay? That's why it says sofrito. It's cooking paste. I use both. They both got different spices in there. And we're going to add 1 pack of seasoning. Okay. 1 pack, that's good enough. And a little bit of adobo, okay? Just a little bit, not too much. Meanwhile, this is hot. It feels really hot. All right, so, and I added a half a teaspoon of fresh garlic paste. All right, so let me add the seasoning, and I'm just going to rub these pork chops together, and then we're going to stuff them. Okay, simple. And then we're going to season them. This is for the big pork loin that I purchased for $22. I made these types, and wow, I have pork chops, believe me, for a while. So I don't have to go into the supermarket and buy any. And if you have any seasoning left, you could always put it away in the refrigerator. So guys, I'm going to start doing the rub, and then I'll bring you guys back, okay? I made a mess on the stove, but it's okay. It's something that always gets clean. Guys, you could either tie them with a string, which I do have, but I don't feel like tying them because it's just for my husband and I. And I'm putting 2 toothpicks on each. So I got to remember to take out 2 toothpicks from each. So I put them crisscross like this. So it'll hold nicely, and it'll be easier for me to handle. Okay. You could bake them, you could fry them, but I'm just gonna cook them on top of the stove. Okay. So I'll further my stuff. So now let's add some oil to the pan. Even though it is seasoned, you're gonna add more seasoning. I got it on low fire. So we're gonna cook that on low. You're gonna cover it so the steam can heat the pork chops on the inside, and put it as low as possible. All right, guys, I'm going to move on to the next phase, but first I'm going to clean this mess, and then I'm going to get my potatoes ready, and I'll show you what am I gonna do with the potatoes. I'm telling you guys, having a small kitchen is hard. So, yeah, I'm going to need a different knife. I'm not going to be using these ones because I need a knife that cuts straight. So, let's clean this little mess here. And let me grab some potatoes from the fridge. I'm going to grab 2 big size potatoes. That should be good enough for 2 of us. So I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys. I usually do this with the little baby potatoes. I don't have any of those. So I took through 2 large potatoes. So I cut them thin. So I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag after I cut them. And then I'm going to put them in the microwave for 3 minutes. So what this is going to do is going to cook them. And then from here, we're going to line them up in a tray with parchment paper. And we're going to put toppings on them. And we're going to put it on broil. And we're going to make some basically baked potatoes, but already sliced. So I'll bring you guys right back when I'm in that stage, because right now the pork chops are still cooking. They're looking delicious. My house smells divine. And let's put the potatoes in the microwave. So guys, what you guys are having for your lunch, dinner, whatever you choose to eat? What you guys having? So remember, we're going to put it for I started 2 minutes first, and then I will let it rest for 5 seconds. Then I put another minute. I just don't want the bag to burst in the microwave. Okay? All right, guys. We're going to take our potatoes. We're going to rub them with a little bit of seasoning. We don't want them to be bland, plain. We want it to taste some of these garlic, herbs, and concoction that I put together. And if you guys want to know what it is, just go to the beginning of the video and you can see what it is. So blend of spices, garlic, fresh garlic, olive oil, sofrito. All right. You could use whatever cheese you want. I'm going to use this. Don't be cheap on the cheese. Don't be cheap on the cheese, guys. Don't be cheap on the cheese. McCormick bacon bits. You get them at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Regular grocery stores, $2.99. I don't like it because it doesn't come up like that. So we're going to I don't know about you guys, but when I cook with a lots of love. So I feel like that one doesn't have enough cheese on it. And all right, guys, let's add more not cilantro, Italian seasoning. Guys, put it on the oven, 300 and you could put it on the oven 350 degrees. So I'm gonna use 400, so they'll done in 10 minutes because they're already cooked. So see you in a little bit, guys. All right, I'll see you when I'm ready to serve, guys. All right, guys, we're going to take out the pork chops out of the pan. Potatoes are looking good. We're going to put this in the microwave, like that it stays warm. Of course, I'm not turning on the microwave, but to see all this goodness here, we're going to make a gravy, guys. We're going to make a gravy to put on top of it, okay? So let me keep this in the microwave. Okay, in there, we're going to add, not too much, just a little bit of water. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Just a little bit. Take your whisk and make your gravy. I'm going to cook this until I have no lumps. I'm telling you guys, this bag of flour that I bought last, they came with so much lump in it, and I forgot. I should have saved it, but it's all right. It'll cook. So I'll bring you guys right back, okay? All right, guys, it's time to serve. Food is ready. I'm gonna put two here for my husband, but I doubt he's gonna eat them. Most likely he'll eat one. I know I'm only having one. Well, I think I'm just going to just give him one, and I serve myself one, and we will put this away for tomorrow. So yeah, guys, we got our potatoes over here. Our potatoes. I also made some plantains. All right, let me finish serving this and I'll bring you guys back, okay, guys? And I'll show you the plate. Well, guys, dinner is served. And here it is. So you guys want to see? Let me turn the camera down a little bit so you guys can see. Pork chop with gravy, stuffed pork chop with gravy, baked potatoes with cheesy and bacon topping, and a slice of nice avocado. So guys, bon appetit, and I'm going to say be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember guys, God loves you and I love you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye guys. Bon appetit.